Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials. Install the Dr. Groot client and grant required permissions so it can access sensors or logs. Create your account and verify email. Once done, enable two-factor authentication to protect work. Next, connect the device or point Dr. Groot to your dataset using USB, Wi-Fi, or the API key. Make sure the connection shows as active. This first set of steps ensures Dr. Groot can read inputs and that you have secure access. Now you configure how Dr. Groot will work for this task. Pick an analysis profile or build a custom one, because presets speed you up while custom settings improve accuracy. Map inputs and sensors, then set thresholds and enable only the modules you need to reduce noise. Run a short dry test to validate mapping and collect initial logs. Review the output for errors and adjust. Once the test looks clean, start the full analysis and monitor progress so you can intervene if needed. Complete the workflow by reviewing Dr. Groot's findings and exporting reports in CSV, PDF, or JSON for stakeholders. Summarize key actions and priorities. Apply recommended fixes or convert insights into task assignments and rerun targeted checks to confirm resolutions. If something goes wrong, check the application logs first, then verify device firmware and network connection. Update drivers or reboot hardware if needed. If the issue persists, isolate inputs and rerun the dry test to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.